All right, this video is strictly gonna be about Amazon, and I'm titling it Amazon Trash. Oh my God, man! Ooh, you guys know I'm heavy in Amazon. I'm gonna take a big loss in this one. Unfortunately, right? Just very disappointed, but it's something that we predicted. You know, this was the picture perfect breakout, right? This is the weekly you're looking at. Picture perfect, and there's the range. Sideways action for damn near a year. It breaks out, and one of the things that I said in my last video was the one thing that scared me is when is something is so picture perfect and everyone can see it. That's usually not good. It almost has to be a sloppy breakout and people don't see it. But this one, for the most part, is picture perfect. Everyone's talking about it, and it didn't happen. So what did I say when things break out, right? When it breaks out of the range and it's a failed breakout. And this, oh my, this will be a failed breakout. And what happens is, I mean, Amazon's down like 7% in the after hours, maybe 8. Right here, it closed at 3,600, and right now it's trading at 33.50, right? So generally what happens, man, you find it going straight to the bottom of the range, and I actually feel that that's going to be the destination. Now, in this area right here, this is the, I'll kind of extend that. This is the area of most of the support, right? There's a lot of activity in here, but I think this is going to find itself to the bottom of the range, just like it did here. See that, right? And right to the bottom. Here, this one came midway, but look, yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it stops here, and it's partly because some of the things that they said, they actually missed revenue. Oh my God, they didn't do this like in 3 years or something like that. And then they saying revenue is gonna be light for the next couple of quarters. Now the rest of the Amazon's business is on fire, right? You know, the advertisements, the video AWS, all that stuff. You know, it's just this. Anyway, when they start to talk about the quarter, you know, we don't know if it's going to be, is it COVID related, why sales was light? You know, is supply chain, is that why sales is light? I don't know, man. But bottom line, sales is light, and it's going to be light. So therefore, the stock is coming down. And I think that is coming down to the bottom of the range. So some of the positions I got on, I just got to close them. One position I had it on for damn almost a year. You know, you know, I like the leaps. And I think I sold the 3200s to the 3180. So I'm down here. You can see where the stock is. And if you go to what the expected move is, this is the options that expire tomorrow, right? The expected move was only like 100. It's like 100 points, right? So now those options that I had on expire in 6 months. So there'll be something left. They won't go to zero. But generally, I usually roll those out, but I kept them on because those positions could easily absorb a 100-point move. So I kind of kept them on, and then I was going to kind of sell them out maybe tomorrow or in the weeks to come. Tomorrow or up to the weeks to come. But, man, this thing is coming down like, you know, hitting that 33.50, and most likely it'll probably go lower. So I'm going to have to go ahead and close those positions out. Not necessarily for a loss, but for a no gain, because I am up huge in those positions, and it looks like I'm going to give it all back. So I'm very pissed off about that. And so we'll see. We'll see what the damage is tomorrow. But Amazon's not looking good. All right, so we gotta wait. You know, I see more sideways action. More, you know, hopefully we don't break lower. Then that will be real ugly. Can you see? You know, us. Let me see if I could get the adjustment here. Pull this down here and push this up, and you can see if we break lower than that, man. Woo! We don't want to break that. All right, so that's 2,900. It's gonna go a lot lower. So but I do think we go to the bottom of the range. Hopefully it hangs out midway. You know, I'm looking at worst case scenario, you know, what I normally see happen on failed breakouts, right? So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, they didn't even give a good outlook. Okay, so that's not good, you know what I mean? Oh man, if you're gonna blow it, man, at least give some kind of good outlook. Hey, they could have announced the stock split. This would have been a great quarter to say, yeah, you know what, and we're gonna split the stock, you know, and that would have took out. It would have been like some shock absorbers for the downside, you know. And I'm like, all right, well, you know, even though it means absolutely nothing, but for some reason, people like stock splits. So, yeah, the expected move was about $100. So Amazon is down $250. Let me see, 50 be 34. 35, yeah, $250. So using those puts, man, you made some good money. You could have bought puts cheap, way out of the money, and you would have been good. If you was playing earnings and you was selling the put side and maybe selling the call side, you won on the call side, but you lost on the put side. Or if you was just selling the put side to collect that chump change, it's outside of its expected move, so you probably lost. And it's one of the reasons why I don't do that. It's just you have outliers like this. But I didn't think this stock, $1.8 trillion company, $1.5 trillion, something like that. A 7% move is huge. 8%. I don't know what exactly it is right now, but it's a huge move for a stock like this. Huge. So I didn't think that could happen. 100 points, 125, and but no. Nah, this is going to be a big mover down. Hasn't done that in a while. So anyway, just wanted to throw this video out there. Tell me what you think. Are y'all in a position you're going to buy? This is going to be a buying opportunity for some, or some might just say, wait, let's see what happens. So if you're interested in buying, let me know in the comments. Are you going to take a hit? Let me know in the comments. Did you play the put side, make some profit on this move? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, let me know what you think about Amazon and how you're trading it and how you look to trade it. All right, so thanks for watching. This is Dre Trades. No music today, man, because it's just a somber day, man. It's a somber day in the portfolio. All right, so Dre Trades, and I'm out. Peace.